In this video, let's go over the importance of having a trading markets quote screen. In other words, the markets that you actively are going to trade. So in this example, I'm using TradeStation. It's just TradeStation's radar screen. And a couple things that you can do is you can insert the subheading, like I've got index, oil, I've got metal, I've got ags, I've got forex. So I'm going to show you how I set this up. So I just launched radar screen, and then what I'm going to do is we're going to add another subheading. We're just going to hit cell number 26. Then we're going to hit enter for a space. Then we're going to right click, and we're going to go insert label row, and then we're just going to go stocks, S-T-O-C-K-S, and hit enter. So now we've got that set in there. So just some stocks that we'll take a look at. CME, let's take a look at Google, G-O-O-G, and RIM. So that's how you do it. It's pretty simple, and you can actually format and take away any of this stuff that you need to. Now, one thing that I don't actually like how it flashes the yellow update indication. It's just when an uptick or a downtick or any actual trade goes through. So in order to turn that off, all you have to do is go right click, and then you go format page, and then from format page you go to the general tab, and then you uncheck update indication. Or you can change it to time interval less than 1 second. But I just uncheck it and then I hit OK. And now I can see the markets without all the flashing yellow lights and stuff. That's one way to do it. If you're not sure of what the descriptions are, here's another easy way you can add the description to it. You just go right click and you go format all analysis techniques. And what you're going to look for is just go for all and then scroll all the way down here to description and then go add. When you hit add, I'm putting it in the second column, then I'm going to hit OK. And now I'm running out of a little bit of space, but that's okay. Now we can see, I'm just going to pull this over. Now you can see what the actual contract spec is. You don't have to know all of it, but E-mini S&P, YM, Dow Mini, E-mini S&P, E-mini Russell, crude, mini crude, natural gas, gold, silver, platinum, corn, soybean, wheat, euro. Now another thing you can do, let's get rid of this, is you can hyperlink this or link it to a chart, which makes it easier for scanning opportunities to trade with. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here and change this. It's usually set to, let's just change it to yellow. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click this, and I'm going to go left click, and then I'm going to turn it to green. And then the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in another chart window here. So now I've brought a chart in here, and I've also done the same thing. I have clicked on the symbol here, the drop down symbol, and made it green. So as long as this green and this green match, anytime that you come over here and click on the actual index that you're looking at, it'll change for you. So you can go ES, YM. Let's say we wanted to go take a look at gold. Go down here to gold, and you can see gold. Now this is a daily chart, and this is a daily chart. And that's one quick way that you can scan through the markets. Now, if you want to have more than one, it's easy. You can just keep on adding them all the way down here. Sometimes you add too many and it can kind of run out of space. So one thing you can do is you just go right click, and I'm going to have to move the window just a second so you can see it. Okay, now let's see if it works. There you can go right click, insert, and then now you've got page 2, and then you just go right click, rename, hopefully you can see that, and then just go stocks, S-T-O-C-K-S, and then hit enter, and then you can start over with a new one. Then you can just tab through the different tabs. So it works kind of just like Excel. Good luck, hope it helps. See you tomorrow.